What's the meaning of bunkhouse? Bunkhouse. Bunkhouse.
Bunkhouse. Bunkhouse. A bunkhouse is a type of accommodation typically found in rural areas or on ranches and farms. It is a simple, communal living quarters where workers or guests can sleep and rest. Bunkhouses usually contain rows of beds, with shared amenities such as bathrooms, kitchen, and common areas. Some bunkhouses may offer private rooms, but they are generally basic and modest. Often used for temporary housing, bunkhouses are a cost-effective way to provide shelter for those in need of a place to stay. They are also popular among outdoor enthusiasts, such as hunters and hikers, who require easy access to remote locations.